Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through likely questions people ask around, like, can you borrow money from Cash App? Yes, Cash App offer a borrowing feature called Cash App Borrow, but it's not available to everyone. And here is what you need to know about borrowing money from Cash App. So watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. So the first thing to check is to check if you're eligible for Cash App Borrow. So Cash App might allow you to borrow money if you have all of these qualifications. So the first thing is to have an active Cash App account, then have a consistent deposit history, for example, a paycheck deposit. Then after that, you also have a good transaction history with Cash App. And also, if you are in a supported state, because not all states are allowed to borrow money from Cash App, then also how to check if you can borrow on Cash App. So let's get started with that. So the first thing to do is to open the Cash App app on your device, then tap your profile icon, which is at the top right corner. Then after that, scroll down and look for borrow. If you don't see it, it simply means you are not eligible. Then if available, tap on borrow, then follow the instruction to request a loan, and you can simply get up to from 20 to 50, 70, 100, depends on your eligibility. And that's it. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more.